let's take a look at everything that's available inside the Jumpstart Kit for Lifeway's VBS in the wild. First thing I want to show you is that it's this great knapsack, and you can buy this separately in addition to having it as part of the Jumpstart Kit. So we'll just unsnap these snaps here and take a look at all these goodies inside. So the first thing that you'll see when you open your knapsack is we've got the promotional insert here that has the DVD, which has some great recruitment videos, some teacher enlistment videos. Those will be very helpful to you as you plan your VBS. Next, we have a wonderful directors only keychain. Now this is only available inside the Jumpstart Kit. It's a lion and on the back it says director. Same thing with this. We have lots of slap bracelets with different animal skins, but really this is the only one that says director, so you can only get that in the Jumpstart Kit. We also have a great two-sided poster that you can use for enlistment ahead of time and begin recruiting your teachers and your team. This will be very helpful to you as you begin to plan for In the Wild. Also, we have a VBS catalog so that you can check out everything that's available to you. And we also have a sample of both the preschool and the grades 1 through 6 field guides. This is the student piece, the learner piece for In the Wild VBS. You'll also find one of each, a grades 1 through 6 music for kids and a preschool music for preschoolers CD. That'll let you go ahead and start previewing the music and getting to know what all of the songs will be for VBS this year. Also, we have the Decorating Made Easy book. Now this will be super helpful to you as you begin to plan all of your decorations, figure out who you're going to divvy up responsibilities with, and bring In the Wild to life in your church. And finally, we have the Administrative Guide. Now this is the piece for directors. This is your lifeline. So directors, you'll want to go ahead and get all of these materials so that you can begin planning for In the Wild.